So this is the sticker that comes with it, and we're just gonna stick it on the frame of the window. So that way we can install this for the air. Okay. So now we're gonna put it on the inside as well of the window. So we put it on this side, and then we're doing it on that side, all here, and then the intention is to cover all this space of air. And then we are installing it on the inner one as well, so we can cover all the gap so the hot air gets out when we install the AC. This is like a Velcro that we are installing on both sides of the window. So now we have to just put it on the Velcro like we did over here. Yeah. Because we're gonna cover the gap with this, and then that way the air can go out without coming in. And that's what we're doing right now to set up this AC with this type of window.
So it looks like you're gonna have to put a strip on top.
So now what we're gonna do is that this one, we're gonna put it in here. We're gonna open this part to just let this one out. And we're gonna close it to keep the air out. We can also put it like more on the bottom if we don't feel like we want it that high. So this moves to the distance that you want. So if I don't want it like to be that tall for whatever reason, I'll just put it right here. Make sure that it's closed. And that's it. So now it's connected to, we're going to connect it to the AC, and the hot air is going to go out, and this is going to protect the other air to come inside, and it should make the AC work better with this little attachment of fabric. And I hope that was helpful.